In my earlier post on NanoVNA, you would have seen that there are so many traces on the screen. Now I have removed all those traces. How do we activate the traces and remove them? We'll see. First we'll activate the menu, and in the menu you can see you choose display, and in display you choose trace. Now you can see that there are trace 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4 traces. So I'll press on 1, trace 0. So a yellow colored trace has been activated. Press again on trace 1, another trace on the lower part of the screen has been activated. Now the Smith chart like tracing, trace 2 you can see, then the pink colored tracing has come when I pressed trace 3. Now I'll try removing these back to the original position. One trace gone, another trace gone, still another gone. Now no traces at all. That is how you bring in and send away the traces in a NanoVNA.